somebody hit the gas main with a blowtorch.
What's that supposed to do?
The blowtorch is fire, and they hit gas with it, so it went bang. Stay back. Because if that goes up, we've got to get out of here.
I'm gonna hide beyond these things.
I'd just chuck yourself on the floor if I was you.
Yeah.
It will. That's the gas burning. Don't know. Hello? Yeah, I just got to go up the other end of the street.
That's when it's
You can hear it, can't you?
Yeah.
Let's get... Oh.
How many minutes is it so far?
Nearly 2 for this one, 5 or 6 minutes for the other one.
It's only allowed 15 minutes, isn't it?
No.
It is? On YouTube?
No?
Yeah.
You can do what you want on YouTube. It's
Yeah, you're only allowed up to 15 minutes of video.
Are you?
Yeah.
Where does it say that?
What's this?
I've seen videos on there longer than 15 minutes.
Have
Yeah.
No. Why do you need to go shop?
Don't know.
What for?
No idea yet.
Oh, you just want to go over there because
Let's go for a walk
shall we?
in a minute.
I need something sick stuff though.
More sirens.
Is that good?
They need them
Why do you need sirens?
because they need more fire engines too. Ain't enough to contain that. 'Cause it's gas.
Why is it? Yeah, but it's been put out loads of times, and why is it still going?
Because the gas is still coming through. Gas hasn't been turned off.
Must be a lot of gas. Why don't people turn it off?
It's the people at, I don't know, Centrica or something that need to turn the gas off.
Have you got your wallet on you, so you can get something? Can you buy me a sweet?
Maybe.
Look, everyone else is in now.
They need more than that.
I wish I happened to dentist's flat.
Here.
Don't we all?
There's the other fire engine. Should be another at least 2.
Or 3?
About 2 will do it.
There's only one in.
There's 2. There's that one there and that one there.
Oh yeah, 2. Shall I climb over now?
No, yeah. Don't know if we're allowed there yet.
We should be. Is that another one? I want to ring my dad, see what's so...
He's on the phone to your mum.
Huh?
He's on the phone to your mum.
Oh.
Says we can have the TV.
Huh?
We can have that TV.
What, for free?
Don't know about for free.
What TV?
Your dad's one in his bedroom.
42 inch?
I don't know.
The one in his TV? The one that he had used to?
His bedroom.
Yeah. We should be allowed in there because they're there.
They are. It's because they're allowed.
But so should we? Them people will be back in a minute, won't they? Spider. Still there.
Oh, my arm's starting to hurt.
We're gonna have loads of food. We're gonna have like a couple of thousand.
Hopefully. More money for me.
Yeah. You got a white stick in there.
Where?
On your arm. What's
Never mind.
that?
Foam.
Does it hurt?
Plenty of that stuff on there.
Why does foam do that?
Because it doesn't burn. Stops it burning anymore.
Why don't you do water?
Because it's electricity. Can't put that near electricity, otherwise everyone will get electrocuted. Has to be foam, where the electrics are involved.
Yeah.
And the foam smothers it.
But I put water, when you put water on fire, it goes down.
No. Normal fire, yeah. Well, if it's got electrics involved in it, you can't use water. Yeah.
What fire is this?
Gas.
Gas fire.
It's got electrics in it as well. There's that green box next to it.